welcome to my channel Tiaras and Curves. I'm Aditi and here on this channel we are always creating some amazing good vibes. Today's video is a skincare DIY beauty recipe especially for the summers, as this is an ice cube recipe with some amazing ingredients for your skin. You can use it to massage your skin and also leave it on as a face mask. So let's get into this tutorial and let's see how to make this. The ingredients required for this beauty recipe are some papaya, some pineapple and some aloe vera. If you don't have the fresh aloe vera plant, you could also use the aloe vera gel, but it is preferred to use the natural plant. Also some lemon, some coconut milk and some rose water. Papaya contains vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C and also vitamin K. It is anti-inflammatory, it reduces acne and pimples, also the scarring from pimples and acne. It brightens complexion, it is very hydrating and has anti-aging benefits. Pineapple has vitamin A, B and C. It is also anti-inflammatory, reduces hyperpigmentation, heals acne wounds faster. It is an excellent natural exfoliator and it lightens dark spots. Aloe vera is the goddess when it comes to skin benefits. It is rich with vitamin B, vitamin C and vitamin E. It also contains zinc. It is very soothing and healing to the skin. It is a great moisturizer. It has anti-aging benefits and is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. It is really good for acne. It brings back the radiance of the skin and it cleanses oil, so it is very good for oily skin. It is good to treat sun damage and also if you have sunburn. Lemon contains a lot of vitamin C and vitamin B. It is good for removing suntan. It lightens and brightens the skin. It cleanses and fights acne. It removes build-up such as blackheads and whiteheads, removes dark spot. It is good for oiliness. It is a very good toner for the skin. Coconut contains a lot of vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, E and vitamin K. It is moisturizing and hydrating to the skin. It is a great collagen builder. It promotes healing at a faster rate. It is also antibacterial and anti-aging. Rose water also comes with a lot of benefits for the skin. It is soothing and hydrating. It is a great toner. It reduces sun damage, dark circles and dark spots. It maintains the pH balance of the skin. It is anti-inflammatory, anti-aging and it is very healing. To prepare this recipe, you need to add all the ingredients to your blender jar. For the lemons, you need to squeeze out the juice, and for the aloe vera, you should take out the green outer layer and only put in the gel part. It's okay if you're not that precise and some part do end up into your blender. Now let's just blend this up. If you think that the mixture is getting too thick, you could add some water to it. The mixture is ready. The next step is to freeze this mixture into ice cubes. So we need an ice tray and now we can start pouring the mixture. Let's start to pour this mixture into the ice tray. I have finished pouring this up into the ice tray and now we need to freeze it. Our ice cubes are ready now. You have to store them in a freezer. You can store them in a container. To use this, you have to take your ice cube and you need to massage it on your face and neck in soft circular motion. You can leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes until the pulp dries and then rinse it off. After that, you can apply your toner and your moisturizer. So that was the beauty recipe for the summer skincare. I hope you guys like it and you will include it in your skincare routine. If you did enjoy it, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Also, do check me out on Instagram. All my handles will be in the description. Do share this video with all your girlfriends so that they can know how to take care of their skin this summer. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, put on your tiaras and keep creating good vibes in this world. Peace and a lot of love to you. Thank you. Bye bye.